Good morning, everyone. Dr. Vicki here, speaking to you from the Seeds of Transformation, just out of bed, really. Today is Monday, the 23rd of March. The moon is in Gemini. The moon moved into Gemini early this morning. And Gemini's ruler, Mercury, makes a conjunction to the north node of the moon. The north node of the moon, of course, is in Pisces still. And this conjunction points us in the direction of our evolution. And Pisces is about compassion. Pisces is about oneness. We are our brothers and sisters keepers, forgiveness, unity. And it's really hard to imagine a world like that in a world where it seems like there's more and more war, more and more pain and suffering. We are coming, we're at an evolutionary crossroads, and we do not have to live like this. We can choose to live differently, and we have to sort of do that on our own before people catch on. The people who are quote unquote in charge catch on. We can only do what we can do. Today, we also have a lovely sextile between the sun and the moon. It's a waxing sextile. So this evening, if you're lucky enough to have clear weather, which I will say here, we do not. It is cold and rainy here in southeastern New England, southeastern Massachusetts. I know a lot of you guys are suffering under some really intense heat so early in the season. I wouldn't want to have to do that. This is, cold and rainy and windy is not necessarily pleasant, but it's our usual March fare here. So as much as we think spring is coming, spring is always a little bit of a tease for us here in New England. But so you're like, I don't feel bad for you, and I don't blame you. I don't feel bad for me either, but let me tell you, it'd be nice to have a sunny, warm day for a change. But change is coming. Change is here. Change is everywhere. The sextile between the sun and the moon is the sextile of opening lines of communication. And so while we may feel like we don't have a lot of influence on those running things, we do have influence in our own lives, and reach out to your neighbors, make friends again if you're not friends, or if you were friends and you're not friends. We're going to have to depend on each other for a while, I think, and so let's just get a head start on that one, right? But with Mercury now direct on the North Node, there are solutions. The sun and moon open those lines of communication. So I know things look dire, and things kind of are dire, but we can only deal with what we can deal with that's right in front of us. So see what's right in front of you, deal with it, work it, make some friends, make some connections. I would bet that at least 85% of the people in the world do not want to live the way we're living, with all this disruption and all this hurting one another. It's not our natural tendency to do that. Our natural tendency as humans is to come together, and so we will. All right, so this is my morning. Apologize. I quite honestly, I'm trying to look a little better, but age and morning and lighting are all out of my out of my realm of of power here. So this is it, guys. This is it. Early morning, rain, spring. We're all in this together. How very North Node and Pisces, really. But all right, guys, have yourself a great day. We do have the sun will be making a conjunction to Saturn in the next couple of days, and reality checks are here, and reality checks are coming. Evaluate where you're at and move from there. Okay, guys, take care. Much love. Namaste.